Hey, Dan Passarelli here. I want to talk today about trader stats. What stats should you look at as a trader? What are some of the stats that I look at as a trader? And I'm going to give you some of my answers today. Maybe I'll do another video in the future where I give you some other answers. But then I'm going to invite you to give me some answers. Tell me what you look for as far as trader stats. In fact, not too long ago, I sent out a survey asking you exactly for that. And if you haven't answered that survey, go through your inbox, your deleted items, junk mail, whatever, just scroll down in your inbox and find it, because I would love to know, because I just might be putting together a resource for you to make tracking some of these stats easier. Now, all that said, what are some of the resources, or what are some of the stats that I track? Well, first of all, for every trade, what I do is I like to track, obviously, the Greeks, the delta, gamma, theta, vega. Not so much the gamma. For the gamma, what I like to look at is what's called sliding risk, which on Thinkorswim I can do by looking at slices. If the market goes down 5%, how much do I make or lose? If it goes up 5%, how much do I make or lose? And then down or up 10%, which is a big move, and that typically doesn't happen overnight, but sometimes it does, and I want to know that I'm protected. I like to do that for each stock. I like to do that for each portfolio. In fact, I like to set limits for myself. I'll never take a position over this many deltas, over this much total risk. I also like to look at allocation. Hey, as far as my risk goes, the amount that I'm risking as far as margin goes on this trade, what percentage of my net liquidating value is it? Is it 1% or 2%? That's fine, that's great. Is it 50%? That's probably a way too big trade. So those are some ideas that I have, some things that I track. But like I said, either go and find that survey in your inbox, or just post a comment right below this video, because I'd love to hear. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.